Good morning, all. This is Peter Cruz speaking to you from Dubai, UAE. Market brief for March the 10th, Friday. The gold and the currency versus the dollar rebounded yesterday due to the weekly jobless claims grew more than expected. Now, this led to market thinking twice with respect to the Federal Reserve next move. However, this is only a one-off data. The main focus is on the non-farm payrolls due to release later in the day, and the forecast is for 205,000 versus 517,000 previously, and the unemployment rate remains the same at 3.4%. Okay. Now, any figure less than the 205,000 will weaken the US dollar and propel the gold and the currencies to higher grounds. However, the run of strong US economic data released last month had already cemented the risk of a higher for longer outlook for Fed interest rates. Therefore, be very cautious. Market will be very volatile when the data are released. Okay, that's about all I have for you this Friday. Let me share my daily forecast with you right now. Now, the situation, I personally feel the currencies and the gold have declined a little bit too much and probably have found its bottom. And with the non-farm payroll that's coming out tonight, which is much lower than the previous month, I would imagine it's about time for the dollar to decline back and the currencies and the gold to strengthen. Therefore, buying the euro dollar at the 1.0550 or better would be quite an advantage. British pound also buying it at the low at 1.1880, okay, would be advantageous. So, but make sure you have those stop levels too. All right. As for the Japanese yen, well, after hitting the 107, 137 level and higher, I think it's going to start coming back down to the 135 level again. Crude oil, well, it's just drifted and went quite low yesterday. So at the $75 a barrel, it's a good advantage, to buy a few contracts of gold, hitting probably the $80 level again. Okay. Australian dollars, like the other currencies, also depreciated at 0.6550 would be a good buying level. Now, gold yesterday shot all the way up to $1,830, all right, and higher. Although it hit the 1,812, but cannot go lower than before. So I would suggest that the 1,825 or slightly lower would be a good buy for the precious metal. Okay, so that's about all I have for you this Friday. Have a great day, pleasant day, and a prosperous trading day. Meanwhile, make sure you have your stops. And of course, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all again on Monday. Okay, bye bye for now.